today's video, let us see how to make peanut garlic gunpowder or chutney powder. You can mix this with curd or ghee and can enjoy with chapati, jowar roti, idli, dosa or rice. One of my best friend's mom taught me this recipe. You can store this for a couple of months. Hello friends, welcome to Tiffin Room. If you like today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin the recipe. First, let's see how to uniformly roast the peanuts. Take a heavy bottom old kadai. Add 1 kg of table salt. Today I am taking half kg peanuts. You can change the measurement according to your preference. Once the salt is hot enough, add handful of peanuts. Roast it by stirring constantly. Roasting peanuts properly is very important to make good quality, long-lasting chutney powder. Once you finish roasting all the peanuts, let the salt cool down for 4 hours. Later you can sift it and store it in an airtight container for future use. You can use this salt to fry papad, ready to fry pani puri, etc. Please do not use this salt for cooking and direct consumption. Now the peanuts are uniformly roasted well. Transfer this to a plate and let it cool down completely. Peel off the skin. Separate the radicals from the peanuts. Peanut radicals can cause acidity, so separate them as much as possible. Clean the peanuts by sifting it. Here you can see the amount of radicals being separated. Here we have half kg roasted and cleaned peanuts. Take 2 medium-sized garlic bulbs, peel off the skin, clean it and keep it ready. Add 1/4 cup peanuts into a mixie jar. Add the garlic, 4 teaspoon chili powder, 1½ teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon salt. Dry grind it into a thick paste. Keep 1/3 mix in the jar and transfer the rest into a bowl. Now add 1/3 of peanuts and grind it into a fine powder. Transfer it to a tray. Repeat the same for the second batch. Please make sure you coarse grind the second batch. Transfer it to the same tray. Transfer the remaining mix and the peanuts to the mixie jar. Now crush this for 2 to 3 seconds. Transfer this as well to the same tray. Spread it evenly. In earlier days, they used to grind the entire quantity by using a mortar. Mortar will help the peanuts to release some oil, which will enhance the taste. At the same time, it will last longer. The easier way is to use the mortar at the end and make chutney powder balls by pressing hard. Here you can see the peanut oil releasing on my palms. Make the entire chutney powders into balls. Now pack the chutney powder balls into an airtight bag. Press it and place a heavy weight on top of it for a day. Tasty and mouth-watering peanut chutney powder is ready to have with dosa, idli, chapati and jowar roti. Please give a try and comment below. I hope you guys liked today's recipe. For more such recipe, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.